Practice set 14.2. The first sum reads, on the construction work of a flyover bridge, there were 320 workers initially. The number of workers were increased by 25% every year. Find the number of workers after 2 years. Since this formula can be used in practical life, let us solve this sum using the same formula. Now remember, first thing, remember this is increased. That means it is a positive sum. R will be positive. Now the numbers which are given over here are 320, 25% and 2 years. So now we will write what is given. You have P is equal to initial number of workers, which is equal to 320, that is 320. R is the rate, which is very clear, it is 25%, PCPA, and as you know it's increased, so R is positive. Then N is equal to the number of years, which is equal to 2 years. And we have to find out the number of workers. So A is equal to number of workers. So now let's substitute. A is equal to P. What is P? 320 into 1 plus R is 25 upon 100 raised to the power of 2. Now if you look at 25 and 100, you know 100 goes in 25 times table. So we can reduce it. So here you will get 125s are 25, 4 25s are 100. So you get that is equal to 320 into 1 plus 1 upon 4 the whole raised to the power of 2. Now you know that we have to add this. So I put the denominator as 1. The denominators are not the same. So you have to equalize them by cross multiplying. So you get that is equal to 320 into 4 ones are 4 plus 1 ones are 1 upon 4 ones are 4 the whole raised to the power of 2. So now we get over here that is equal to 320 into 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 4. Now because it is 2, we write this twice. Now if you know 4 times table, you know that 1 4s are 4 and 4 goes in 32 8 times. 8 4s are 32. Again you have 4, you'll get here 1 and you'll get here 2. Now I forgot boys, there was a 0, so this will be 80 times, this will be 20. So now 20 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 will be equal to 500 workers. So you have A is equal to 500 workers. sum number 2. It reads, a shepherd has 200 sheep with him. Find the number of sheep with him after 3 years if the increase in number of sheep is 8% every year. Now boys, before we proceed with this sum, there are some corrections. The sum is on page 93. Sum number 2, it is not 3 years, it is 2 years. And it is not 8%, but it is 10%. So kindly make these changes, otherwise the answer comes in decimals. And we cannot have sheep in decimals. We have to have whole number for it. So remember, instead of 3 years, it is 2 years. And instead of 8%, it is 10%. Now we are solving this using the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100, the whole raised to the power of n. Now let's see what is P equal to. P is equal to 200. That is the initial number of sheep. Initial number of sheep is equal to 200. Then we have the rate R. R is equal to 10%. Remember boys, it is 8% in your textbook, but actually it is 10%. And N is equal to the number of years, which is 2 years. Here again there's a mistake. It is not 3 years, but it is 2 years. Now over here, the sum clearly states that there is an increase. So therefore R is positive. Now substituting it in the formula, that is equal to P. P is 200 into 1 plus 10 upon 100, the whole raised to the power of 2. Now boys, we can cut the zeros over here. So we'll get that is equal to 200 into 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to the power of 2. Now again here the operation is addition. There's no denominator. I'm putting the denominator as 1. And I'm equalizing the denominator by cross multiplying. So that is equal to 200 into 1 tens are 10 plus 1 ones are 1 upon 10 into 1 is 10, the whole raised to the power of 2. So that is equal to 200 into 10 plus 1 is 11 upon 10. Because it is 2, so you have this twice. Now we can cut the zeros, 2 zeros with these 2 zeros. And when we multiply 2 into 11 into 11, we get the amount is equal to 242. Now what is this 242? It is the number of sheep after 2 years is 242.